There's a couple of new Brewdog beers in Sainsbury's. We all love Brewdog, right? Right? Hello again, and welcome back to Scott Reviews Things SRT. SRT. I cannot sit here and be completely honest with you and say I'm absolutely sober. I am 3 sheets to the wind. It's cheat day. It's Saturday night on Scott Reviews Things. Anyone that's watched the channel for the last 6 weeks knows that me and Wanda are on massive health kick. Saturday is our day off. Wanda's in there ordering a lovely Chinese. I'm going to have just some chow mein and some... What am I having? Chow mein and salt and pepper chips. Done a 25-minute run today. As is Wanda. Part of the couch to 5k. It's all good. So, I popped into Sainsbury's earlier. I saw 2 new beers from Brewdog. We can all go into Brewdog and how we all hate them, but they are a brewery that, as a beer reviewer, they command an audience. Whether it's a command respect audience or disrespect, that's entirely up to you these days. It's it's incredible. So this is from it's in Sainsbury's now. I bought a stout, a Rocky Road stout. I'll do that. But obviously, when I'm not drinking so much, it's really difficult. It is very difficult to get those things. I'm a bit pissed. Do apologise. So from Brewdog, they released Wingman last year. I'm sure it was last year. And it was a bit like Beavertown's. What's going on here? That light's gone off. It's an absolute shit show. Damn that. Welcome. So Wingman they released Wingman IPA, which was a bit like Beavertown neck oil, and it was really nice. So I went into Sainsbury's today and I saw this. This is Wingman. Love the can art, and this is their Tropical Storm double IPA. Now Wingman's okay. It's not shit. It's not rubbish. It's not brilliant, but let's be honest, it's the best fucking thing they've done for a little while. So Tropical Storm, Wingman, double IPA, and it's coming in at no fucking idea. 7.2% IBV. ABV, not IBV. And it says brewed for the bold. So I'm assuming this is going to have, if it's a tropical storm, what they used to have was the Bible of bullshit, which was coined by my friend Dean's Beer Reviews, where they would just fucking make up any old shit, plaster it over the can, and now we've got this Chinese and Japanese shit, which you can't fucking read. The Lover Man. 7.2%. It was £3.50, £3.75 in Sainsbury's. I don't mind. Wingman. Fuck knows what this is going to be like. It would probably be shit. I'll pour it all in. Not a heathen. In the glass. So what I've had tonight, I've had staggeringly... no, that's not true. I've had Sainsbury Brewing Company's new Pale Ale. Lovely. I've had a Shambhala from... Arbor, fantastic. I've had James and the Giant Nectaron, which was from Arbor as well. I've had a beer from, can't remember the other one. Anyway, this looks nice. Whack that. It's lovely. Orangey in the colour. Oh, for fuck's sake. I've probably wasted that. Go for a nose. I tell you, that doesn't smell too bad. That smells quite nice. Tropical. There's no hoppiness to it. It does. There's been some really shit Brewdog beers over the years. This doesn't smell too bad. It doesn't smell like this one. Actually, I've still got the other can. It doesn't smell like Wingman, so they've obviously fucked around with it. Anyway, cheers. Smells okay. Smells nice. What was the fucking 7.2? Oh, we're all done here, aren't we? Pardon me. It smells nice. It smells nice. And they've let it down. They've let it down ever so slightly. It's not a bad beer. It's not horrendous. Listen, Brewdog have done some horrendous shit over the years. Candy Kittens. What was there was a lychee, whatever the fuck it was. It was horrendous. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. But I am disappointed by it because Tropical Storm double IPA from Wingman. The branding on Wingman is fabulous. The pigeon with his bits and pieces is really good. The beer isn't, and it's not far off. So for me, slightly adjunct heavy. So they put some adjuncts in there to give it that tropical flavour, sort of peachy. Whereas they could have used the hops. I can't. Obviously, no one can read this. It's bollocks, utter bollocks. Sorry on the allergen cereals, gluten, water. It's not saying that they're using any adjuncts at all, but for a tropical, for that flavour, slightly adjunct heavy, and it's really sad because it could be a really good beer, and it isn't because of the adjuncts are heavy. They're heaving in there, and it's really sad. Tropical Storm, Brewdog, Wingman. Oh, really? Do you know what? I had high hopes for this. I like Wingman. Wingman's okay. We got the hidden pub just around the corner that has this on tap. Wingman's okay. It's not terrible. It's not rubbish. It's not brilliant. It's an okay beer. This, as a Tropical Storm version, it lets it down. It really does let it down, and I'm very they're upset because Brewdog are fucking as a the pioneers of craft beer. They are fucking gone. I sent this, and I sent the Rocky Road Stout to Simon, Renell Craft Beer today when I picked it up, and he's like, I'm done chasing after these beers. I saw them in the supermarket, picked them up thinking they'd be interesting. Bring them to you. I'll have this week. The Rocky Road won't be out till next week because Wanda and me are on a diet. I wish I'd picked the Rocky Road. What are we going to give it? Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs in the middle. Oh, it's a toughie. I'm going to give it a thumbs in the middle. It's okay. It's not tremendous. It's not terrible. I've had worse from Brewdog, Candy Kittens, Tony Topoloni. Awful shit. If you've tried this, Sainsbury's near you, I'd say go and pick it up, but don't pick it up. Don't waste your money. Go and buy something from a bottle shop. Go and buy something from your local brewery that you really want to try. I do that. So I'm going to do the top 5 things on Untapped. Go and buy something that you want to buy, want to drink, and enjoy. That isn't worth my money. It was £3.75. £3.75. Jog on. It's okay. See you soon. Comments, buy me a coffee, all that shit. See you soon.